Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a little bit windy, so I hope the sound is okay. Okay guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be going to the first rehearsal of the So today I'll be going to the first rehearsal of the Asia Civilization Dialogue. So if you guys don't know, on May 15th, Chinese government will conduct the Asia Civilization Dialogue Conference, and our school might be performing in this conference. So I'll be one of the member of the team. I'll be one of the lucky guy here. So yeah, I'll try to vlog everything about how is the preparation of the Asia Civilization Dialogue if I can. I'll try my best to vlog it for you guys. Okay, so this is the first time for me to be vlogging in English. I've never had the courage to do so because I think my pronunciation and my grammar is bad, but I'll try my best because I know that this conference is an international conference, and from the request of some of my friends, they said like, let's try to do the vlog in English. So I appreciate that comments. I'll try to do the vlog in English. Even though, to be honest, I'm really shy doing it, but I'll try my best. Wish me luck. Okay, so if you guys want to know how is the preparation of the Asia Civilization Dialogue is going, keep on watching till the end of the video. Okay guys, so we're inside now. The first thing that we are gonna do is eat lunch.
We are in bird's nest. Change camera please to bird nest. This is decoration inside bird nest, and we are we are so happy to
be here. Alright guys, so like the rehearsal is actually beyond my expectation. It's really intense. Like we started maybe on the afternoon after lunch. Oh look, hi. Okay, so we started on the afternoon after lunch, and then we'll finish later, maybe 11. Yeah. Hello. So how long have you been practicing? 你练习了多久了？
我们是4月份开始。
很棒。Alright guys, so I just finished the rehearsal for day 1. It's actually 12:30 something, almost 1. It's crazy. They say it will finish at 11.
End of flashback.
Hi, good morning people. Okay, so now, not good morning, it's good afternoon actually. Now I'm on my way to the day 2 of the rehearsal for the Asia Civilization Dialogue Conference opening ceremony.
So today they let us to practice in the afternoon. It was so exhausting. I didn't even want to wake up. I don't even want to eat my lunch. So I just take that. I take my lunch with me, and I'll try to eat my lunch in the bus.
For us foreigners, they tell us to wear our traditional clothes. So I'll try to wear batik every day. As you can see, yesterday I was also wearing batik. But the rehearsal was very disciplined. Everyone was strictly following whatever the leader says. So yeah, it's pretty good. Day 2 rehearsal. Waiting for rehearsal. So yeah, now we're in the middle of a break. We started our practice a while ago for the first performance, but we haven't started for the second and third performance. Today, mostly all of us are staying here, waiting for the next rehearsal. Today's practice is actually not as exhausting as it was yesterday because they actually give us a place to have a rest. The place is actually the same place where we were eating in the cafeteria. Okay guys, so today we don't have lunch because we were here very late. We just get here maybe 1:30, so we didn't have lunch. But now we have early dinner at 5:30. So this is the food for day 2. They have different food for us every day. Tonight we will have a 正式排练, which means we will have a formal rehearsal. So basically everyone has to wear their costumes and maybe put some makeup on. And for us foreigners, we don't really need to put crazy traditional costumes. So that's why today I'm wearing my batik pants. I don't know if you can see my outfit here. You can see guys, today everyone is so busy rehearsing, having their stuff together because from what I heard from the director, today the 领导, which is the leader, will come and check everything at night. So they need to make sure that everything is at place. They cannot make any mistake tonight. So yeah, everyone is preparing. But in the meantime, a lot of students who is performing for this opening ceremony, they're studying in the middle of their break time. Wow, they're studying. Right, we are ready for the night rehearsal. Cute! Look at them! This is the rehearsal day 2, and all of them are already wearing costumes and makeup. Wow! Look at that! It's just amazing how Chinese children having to practice from the morning until night together with us, the adults, and they're so strong they can do it. It's just amazing. We just got our 工作证, which is the ID card to enter the field. Guys, so day 2 is done. We leave early today. We finish at 10, and now we are going home. See you guys on day 3. Alright guys, so today is the 10th of May and today is the 3rd day of the rehearsal. We'll be having 3 rehearsals today, on 11, at 2 p.m. and also at night. I'm a little bit tired today because yesterday I had to run all day long to do my visa. So yeah, wish me luck today! It's getting more and more strict these days. Alright guys, so this is the rehearsal day 3. We're almost finishing everything. Let us see the 排练.
有请中央领导同志主持开幕式。
Now we'll moderate the opening ceremony.
Bye bye, Katya. The end of the third day rehearsal. No one eating anymore. Alright guys, so yesterday was the last day of the rehearsal and 15th of May will be the day. So yeah, yesterday I was not even planning on record anything about the rehearsal because the school officials told us not to record anything on 12 and 15. But I cannot help myself because Jackie Chan and Wang LeeHom was still there. So I still record some of their rehearsal. Okay guys, so after this you will watch some of the videos of Jackie Chan and also of Wang LeeHom and also some pictures, some close-up pictures of them. So keep on watching. And this is gonna be the end of this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment my video. Bye bye.
Hi, Jackie Chan! Jackie Chan! Hello, Jackie Chan!